Hi guys, Dong Ngo here, and this is the Cricut Explore. Well, first, Cricut spelled like this. It's not supposed to be bad English, it's supposed to be cool. And secondly, this one here is not a printer, or so I say it's a printer that doesn't print. Instead, it cuts, draw, and score. But well, if you can cut and draw at the same time, which this one does, of course you score. And this one here score big, especially with the ladies. For example, you can make a thank you note for your mom just like this. Of course, you can write her a letter, or you can say thank you to your mom directly. But when you have it cut out like this, she knows you're sincere. And of course, you can make a lot of things with this machine right here, but let's find out how it works. First, this is the mat, or the gripping mat. Gripping because the surface here is sticky. It's sticky so that you can put the material on and it's not going to move when you do the job. When the cut is done, you can peel the material off, just like this. And now you have your art project. Let me show you right here. So right here is your thank you note. And then you have to clean up the surface of the mat here again for the next job. And for the cleaning, here, our intern, Lauren. Thank you. Now the machine can cut a lot of different types of materials, from this preset right here to another 15 types in custom setting. Basically, you can cut almost anything that's not thicker than 2 millimeters. Now over here we have two slots. One for the blade, which does the cutting. This is a standard blade that comes with the machine. If you want to cut something very tough, such as aluminum, you will need a tougher blade that costs extra. The second slot is for a drawing pen included here, or a scoring pen, which costs another $5. The machine can work with two tools at the same time, just like that. And by the way, the machine has this pen holder right here, and over here underneath the tray, there is a compartment for the tools, like this one, for example. Very cool. Now let's make something else. First, we need the design. You can either make the design yourself or choose from a vast option provided by the Cricut Design Space. Most of these projects here are free, other cost from 99 cents to a few dollars. All right, let's find something meaningful and quick to make here. Okay, here we go. How about this? Let's make love. Well, it's better than war. Now, as you can see, this one requires the iron-on material, which I have here, so let's load it up. Now, depending on how big the project is or how complicated it is, this might take a few hours or a few minutes to be done. Now, this particular project here is going to take just a few minutes. With some project, you need to use multiple types of materials. You can even assemble different parts into a 3D project. And for that reason, I call this machine here some sort of a 2.5D printer. The thing that is slightly less than a full 3D printer, that is. And voila, love is done being made. Just iron it on your t-shirt or your jean, wherever you want. So as you can see, this is a very cool and fun machine to use for those who want to get into craft and arts. And it's not too expensive either, costing just $250 in the US or some £250 in the UK. There are a few things you need to know though. First, this one here works off the internet completely. The Cricut Design Space software is entirely web-based, and you have to have an account and log in before you can use it. And that means a few things. Number one, this machine here is completely useless without the internet. Number two, the vendor of the machine can potentially know everything you make with the machine, so don't make anything too crazy. And note that even when there's internet, you need to connect the computer to the machine before you can log in the account. And that means you cannot go to your library and make your project before you bring it home to print. And by the way, the machine here connects to the computer using a USB cable or a Bluetooth adapter with the slot over here. The adapter is not included and costs another $50. Now for more on the machine here, check out my full review at CNET.com. You know, it's a great fun machine for those who are into arts and craft, or just want to make somebody like your mom or your girlfriend extra happy. It's overkill for me though, because I've made many people happy with just my bare hands. That's only because I'm Dong Ngo, and this has been the first look at the Cricut Explore. You can take this. I have lots.